Speaking of the parliament proceedings, as the government has approached the opposition parties regarding the Women's Reservation Act, and the Congress Party President Mallikarjun Kharge has now written a letter to the Union Minister Kiren Rijiju demanding an all-party meeting over the same. The government, which is now planning to bring the bill in Parliament next week over the Women's Reservation Bill, what we are looking at, that Mallikarjun Kharge has now demanded that all political parties should be kept in loop and the discussion should be held in an all-party meeting before the bill is tabled in Parliament. So Mallikarjun Kharge asking the government, Nyamika, good morning, for an all-party meeting to discuss, as far as the implementation of women reservation bill is now concerned, which the government seems to be planning to bring in the Parliament about next week.
Well, yes, indeed. The government has approached the opposition parties regarding the fast track of the implementation of the Women's Reservation Act, and for that reason, the Union Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiren Rijiju had also, spoken to several of the opposition party leaders, including the Congress President Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge. However, in response to the approach which was being made by the government side, now Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge has written a letter to Kiren Rijiju in which he has basically demanded that an all-party meeting should be convened before the government tabled this bill in the Parliament. As for that reason, it was also being stated on the part of the Congress party's Rajya Sabha MP Mr. Jairam Ramesh that it is basically a tactics on the part of the government of India for divide and rule, and for that reason now the major the concern which is being raised by the opposition members is that an all-party meeting should be called by the government of India so that all the issues which are going to be mentioned in the
opinion and the consultation of the political parties in the opposition is a must. That is what Mallikarjun Kharge seems to be seeking. Whether Nari Shakti Vandan Adhiniyam was passed unanimously in Parliament in September 2023. For the moment, Nyamika, thank you very much for joining in. The Parliament proceedings will be beginning anytime now. We'll be keeping you updated back after a short break.